Alright, hello everybody. In my last video of Adaware, I reviewed its version 10.3. Today we'll be looking at Adaware 10.5 something something something. I don't care for those extra ones. Adaware is I'm gonna have it install as or compatible is a second line of defense. I will not receive full protection. That's fine. Crap! I didn't block the extra stuff. I might have it as a secondary defense because I already have a full-on antivirus product running, and I don't feel like reinstalling it. So I'm sorry if you feel disappointed like that. I know some of the features aren't going to run, but I'm here to test the security of it. I only do that in VM machines, and as I've said before, I've already lost my other key. I'm not good at that kind of stuff. Everything else will be on Google Drive, except for like keys for the operating system. I don't know why nobody say anything. All right, wow, 360 internet security saying, oh, something's being detected. It's gonna probably scan it. Didn't block it. It allowed it. We're gonna have to uninstall that as well, so that's probably gonna be my next video. Actually, my next two videos. Oh, registry startup being modified. Temporary file Google Chrome.dll. That's actually fine. It's from Adaware, but even still, I'm just going to allow all. I'm not going to go through and make you all suffer. Or make myself suffer. It's probably going to say, oh, now you're going to need to restart. In the case of that, I will just pause the video and then relaunch. But I'm probably just going to uninstall it right afterwards because I don't care much for Adaware. I like the company. It does very well. I like the product. I just don't care enough for the protection. Come on. I don't know why it's taking this long. Oh, it's downloading everything. Alright, we're just gonna go over here and empty the recycle bin. My last video, I didn't like Adaware that well because it really sucked as far as system performance went, and I didn't like what it is. It just doesn't seem like it's enough to participate in the actual market. Bitdefender, king of antivirus right now. Highest detection rates of any other product. Kaspersky, great, consistently high. It's always been like in the second place, but it's always done well around the 99% range. Kaspersky always has a ton of features and is very reliable for a business solution. 360 Internet Security. Kihu and their whole company has basically designed an idea like one of the most powerful antiviruses on the market. The issue is using these multiple engines in a way that they're all compatible and that the databases can stay updated. I'm sorry, my throat is dry. Well, it seems like I'm just gonna pause the video here just so we can wait for Adaware to stop being stupid. Alright, now we have Adaware installed. Oh my god. And it's a secondary installation, so it's not a full antivirus sweep. We're still going to be able to look, though, and see if they've done any major changes. I am expecting some sort of change. I mean, you don't just release a whole new package. Wow, okay. I'm not registering. You can go away. And, okay, antivirus and anti-spyware is on, apparently. Adaware is claiming that it has a secondary antivirus that actually works with another antivirus. So essentially, I'm able to run this and my other one, which is 360 Internet Security. I'm so sorry. And I should not have any system slowdown. Well, I should have some sort of system slowdown. No compatibility issues. As it stands right now, there's no compatibility issues. All files are still functioning. Firefall should still be downloading. Firefall is downloading. I should be able to scan. We're going to have to do a quick scan. Okay, it had to update the definitions apparently. Now we're going to have to do a quick scan. Adaware, what I always loved about them was their amazing detection rates for cookies and just little minor things. They're not king by any means. Their detection rates are good. The thing I'm hating is I have not seen anything different between the old one. It is faster. Oh, jeez. No, no, no. What is all this? What did you do, Lava Soft? What did you do to me? Oh, what's this? Lava Soft new tab. I'll enable it. Okay. Malware domain list. I'm just gonna type something in. Okay, Lavasoft used to partner with, what was it? Seriously? I can't think of the name. It was some minor search engine. I can't remember their Bleeko. No. Bleeko? Yes, it was Bleeko. They partnered with them, bringing a secure search. Well, now it looks like they've done the same thing. The issue is, Lavasoft's secure search only shows up files that are scanned by Lavasoft and are safe, but it says explore with Yahoo's search. Well, Yahoo's actually powered by Bing. You got it right here. I don't know, but yeah, that's kind of interesting. Let's just see what's going on over here. I'm actually kind of like glad that they did this because this is something that I wanted them to add in a better way, though. Like, oh my God, it's back. Go away. Just go away. I wanted them to have something kind of like the Bitdefender or the Web Shield plugin, to where it scans the web pages before I go there. But Lavasoft seems to be more strict on protecting from search itself. I'm not quite sure why. It makes no sense to me. But yeah, well, we'll just see. It seems to be. I just don't like this. I love the idea that it's now compatible with Chrome in a new way. Let's see if it's better with Internet Explorer. I always hated it because Internet Explorer took like 3 seconds for the frickin' pages to load because of this toolbar is so heavy. For a toolbar, it should not be this heavy. I don't know what it is, but they need to like take it down like 5 notches or something. I don't know. Oh, okay, here's the page loading. Now, in my own defense, I am running like multiple antivirus products at the same time. Not recommended by any means, but this one claims to be compatible. That's why I did it. You say your product's compatible with antivirus products, we'll test that. I did your proper install. We'll test that. Alright, well. Today, please. Seriously, guys. I don't understand what it is with like them and Internet Explorer. It's just like it's not even loading. Cover the web page. Well, we are having some technical difficulties on Lavasoft's side, and it seems as if Internet Explorer is frozen. We're gonna try and restart it. I want to see this toolbar. We'll enable it. Enable. I'm an enabler. I just want to see the new toolbar. If not, Lavasoft, you guys are not doing too well. This is Bing. This is MSN that is trying to load and it can't load. And I know it's this toolbar because nothing else is on here. I have nothing running on Bing. It's on Internet Explorer. I don't use it. Alright, so as I can tell, this is not doing too well. Adaware. If anyone from Adaware, Lavasoft, if any of you guys actually see this, work on the compatibility issues with Adaware security add-on and freaking Internet Explorer. Because, the toolbar is fully functional here. It's not even a toolbar for Chrome. And it's just gonna keep freezing. Alright, so that was a headache, and it's not worth that. It's not worth the effort. But I'm gonna try it one last time because I want to see the product. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, that's not good. That tells me that the toolbar is... It's not even loading. Do you see this? I don't know why. I mean, I love the fact that it's now better. RFC, probably beefy, and then... Alright, 20s. Well, it's broken. I don't know how, but, yes. The Lavasoft toolbar broke Internet Explorer. Look at this. Oh, here it is. It finally... Oh, there it is. How did you do this? You tell me this is MSN. You look into my face and you lie to me that this is MSN. Can't be done. Toolbar, it doesn't look like it's changed much either. We got a little search tool up here. Kind of nice, though. Browsing data. Toolbar cleaner. Yeah, I'm going to use a toolbar cleaner, alright, but it's not going to be the one that you're going to like. Wow, okay, so I'm going to close Internet Explorer because it's now, like, having a seizure. I can't tell what's actually changed. The options are still the same. The options are still changed. Nothing's changed. They really only worked on the speed of the engine, which is really good. They probably upped the protection. They have made Chrome now have its own extension, which I'm glad that I actually got that idea was that I suggested that. But yeah, I don't know which one of you over there designed this new toolbar, but it needs more testing. Like, you can't even lie that that was MSN. We're going to just go to msn.com, remove the T for the Windows 8 version. Oh, froze. So, oh, here we go. It's actually going to load. Let's just see what it looks like. In no world. It's just slow. It's slow because of the toolbar. The toolbar screwed up. Alright, so anyone over there at Lavasoft actually watches these videos, which I highly doubt. I'm not that popular. But what I can say is that your toolbar has incorrectly been coded, it has poor integration, or Internet Explorer 10 is just dumb. It could be all three. It could be just Internet Explorer's dumb. I don't know. Maybe you tested it on Windows 7. Very common business practice right now. But as it stands right now, I can't seem to recommend this security add-on. As the antivirus works fine, the engine's great, but you need a couple things. You need to have more. You need to have better protection. And as I've suggested before, I always recommend using a USB, like a what's it called? A USB immunizer, because a lot of people still use USBs. Very common. I know the cloud computing has taken over. I still use a USB, but it's just a necessary thing to have. This thing's really got all the basics, but in different forms. We've got our internet protection. Well, this already has internet protection. This is more internet protection. More, oh, host intrusion detection, sorry. That's your HIPS protection. You got a firewall, your email, your external storage scan, and shopping and online banking. As far as this looks, I mean, the only problem with Adaware right now is the toolbar doesn't work in Internet Explorer 10, and I don't know how I'm going to fix that. And it's just stupid. It lacks features. And that's all I can say. So thank you very much for watching this longer video. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below, and I'll be back. So thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.